Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. In today's video we'll discuss, what is Internet of Things or IoT, how IoT devices work, showcase practical examples, and discuss their impact on daily life. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. The Internet of Things or IoT is a revolutionary concept that has been transforming the way we interact with the world around us. It refers to the network of physical objects or things that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies to connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the Internet. These objects can be everyday items like household appliances, vehicles, industrial machinery, and even clothing, and they can communicate with each other and with centralized systems to collect and share information. The fundamental idea behind IoT is to enable these objects to gather and transmit data autonomously, creating a vast ecosystem of interconnected devices that can monitor, control, and optimize various aspects of our lives and the world we inhabit. This interconnectedness has the potential to significantly impact a wide range of industries, from healthcare and transportation to agriculture and manufacturing. To better understand the concept of IoT, it's essential to explore its key components, applications, benefits, challenges, and its impact on various sectors. Key components of IoT. 1. Sensors. Sensors are at the heart of IoT. These devices can detect and measure a variety of parameters such as temperature, humidity, light, motion, and more. They collect data from the physical world and transmit it to other devices or systems. 2. Connectivity. To enable data transmission, IoT devices need to be connected to the Internet. This can be achieved through various means, including Wi-Fi, cellular networks, Bluetooth, and low-power wide-area networks, LPWANs. 3. Data processing. Collected data is processed either locally on the device or in the cloud. IoT devices often use microcontrollers or microprocessors to perform data processing tasks. 4. Cloud computing. Cloud platforms play a crucial role in IoT by providing storage, computational power, and data analytics capabilities. This allows for the aggregation and analysis of data from multiple devices. 5. User interface. To interact with and control IoT devices, user interfaces can take various forms, such as smartphone apps, web portals, or voice commands through virtual assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. Applications of IoT. IoT has a wide range of applications across various industries, including 1. Smart homes. IoT enables homeowners to control and automate lighting, heating, cooling, security systems, and appliances. Smart speakers like Amazon Echo and Google Home have become popular for managing smart home devices. 2. Healthcare. Wearable devices like fitness trackers and smartwatches can monitor vital signs and activity levels. Medical equipment can transmit patient data to healthcare providers for remote monitoring. 3. Transportation. IoT is used in vehicle tracking, route optimization, and autonomous vehicles. It can improve safety and reduce traffic congestion through connected traffic management systems. 4. Agriculture. IoT sensors are used to monitor soil conditions, crop health, and weather data to optimize farming practices. This helps farmers make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. 5. Manufacturing. IoT is used for predictive maintenance of machinery, process optimization, and quality control. It enables the efficient management of production lines and supply chains. 6. Retail. Retailers use IoT for inventory management, customer tracking, and personalized marketing. Beacon technology can provide customers with location-based promotions and information. 7. Smart cities. Cities are adopting IoT for waste management, energy conservation, public transportation, and infrastructure maintenance. Sensors can monitor air quality, traffic flow, and more. 8. Environmental monitoring. IoT devices are employed to track environmental factors like air and water quality, climate conditions, and wildlife movements to support conservation efforts. 9. Energy management. Smart grids and IoT technologies help utilities monitor and manage energy distribution more efficiently, reducing energy wastage. Benefits of IoT. 1. Efficiency. IoT devices can automate processes and provide real-time data, improving efficiency and reducing human intervention. 2. Cost savings. IoT can lead to cost savings in various industries, such as reduced energy consumption, optimized maintenance, and improved resource management. 3. Improved decision-making. Real-time data and analytics enable better decision-making, leading to more informed and timely actions. 4. Enhanced convenience. IoT has made everyday life more convenient through smart home devices and wearable technology. 5. Safety and security. IoT can enhance safety through applications like home security systems and monitor risky environments without human presence. 6. Environmental impact. IoT can contribute to sustainability efforts by optimizing resource usage and reducing waste. Challenges and concerns. 1. Privacy and security. As more personal and sensitive data is collected and transmitted, there are concerns about privacy and the potential for security breaches. 2. Interoperability. IoT devices and platforms often come from different manufacturers and may not seamlessly work together, making standardization and interoperability challenges. 3. Data overload. The sheer volume of data generated by IoT devices can be overwhelming, and organizations need the means to efficiently process and analyze this information. 4. Scalability. As IoT networks grow, scalability becomes a critical concern, ensuring that the infrastructure can handle the increasing number of connected devices. 5. Regulatory and legal issues. IoT may face various legal and regulatory challenges, including data protection, liability, and compliance with industry standards. Impact on various sectors. Healthcare. IoT is revolutionizing patient care through remote monitoring, predictive analytics, and improved medical equipment, leading to more personalized and efficient healthcare delivery. Agriculture. Precision agriculture, enabled by IoT, is transforming farming by optimizing resource use, improving crop yields, and reducing environmental impact. Manufacturing. Industry 4.0, characterized by smart factories and IoT-enabled processes, is enhancing productivity, reducing downtime, and improving product quality. Transportation. IoT is contributing to safer and more efficient transportation systems through connected vehicles, traffic management, and logistics optimization. Smart cities. IoT is enhancing the quality of life in urban areas by improving public services, reducing congestion, and promoting sustainability. Retail. IoT is transforming the retail industry through personalized marketing, smart inventory management, and improved customer experiences. Energy management. IoT is helping reduce energy consumption, lower greenhouse gas emissions, and improve the reliability of energy distribution. In conclusion, the Internet of Things is a transformative technology that is reshaping how we live, work, and interact with our environment. It has the potential to bring significant benefits, but it also presents challenges, particularly in terms of privacy, security, and data management. As IoT continues to evolve and expand, it will undoubtedly play an even more significant role in our daily lives and in industries across the globe. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.